Welcome back. It is Miss Bailey's Math for Class. Yay! Please subscribe below. We are going over the logarithmic function sample assessment. This is the exact assessment that was Quiet Coyote. This is the exact assessment that they wanted you all to do from the district.
So this is the same test.
Pretty much, so that I'm going to, no, well, for unit 3. So I'm going to use this test to create your next test next Wednesday. Yay! Good job, Ethan. All right, now let's go ahead and work on these problems. Now, we're going to solve 3x equals 9 to the 3 halves. The goal is to have common bases.
Bases.
So if we have 3
3.
to the x power, 3 to what power is 9? 2. So I'm going to put that in parentheses. 3 squared. I'm going to put the fraction on the outside. Now, what do we do based off the power to power rule? What operation? Distribute by multiplying. So that is 2 times 3 halves. What is under all whole numbers? A 1. So multiply the top. That would be, multiply the top would be 6. Multiply the bottom would be 2. And that simplifies to what? 3. So let's bring that back down here. That is now 3 to the third power equals 3 to the x. Now that the basis is the same, we set the exponents equal to each other. So x equals 3. Now, we're going to change this exponential into a log using the hand method. Remember the hand method? We're going to say log base A of y equals x. Log base A of y equals x. So my answer is C.
C. That's me.
Back like we never left. Alrighty. And we have number 3. Number 3, I'm going to put it over here because we need a lot of room for it. Move my face over here. So number 3, we have 9 to the negative 2x power times 1 over 243 to the 3x power equal 81 to 2 plus 4x power. The goal is to have common bases. So I have 9, 243, and 81. What could go in both 9, 243, and 81? The base of 9 don't go into 243. What goes into 9? 3. So let's see about 3. 3 to what power is 9? Second power. So I'm going to put 3 squared. And I'm going to bring the exponent out, negative 2x times. Now 3 to what power is 243? I did it on my calculator. It's the fifth. So that is, if I have 1 over 243, that's going to be 3 to what kind of fifth? Because it flipped. Negative. So that is 3 to the negative fifth power. Bring the exponent 3x down. Equal 3 to what power is 81? But just when we use a calculator. But what are we doing in our head? Yes, the fifth. So that is 3. No, not to the fifth, I'm sorry, but to the fourth is 81. Then we're going to bring back our exponent, 2 plus 4x. Now, the power rule says we need to do what with these exponents? I forgot. What do we do with these exponents? Distribute using what operation? Multiplication. So that is 3 to the 2 times negative 2x, which is negative 4x, excellent, times, we got this negative 5 times 3x, which is 3 to the negative 15x, excellent, equals, we have to distribute the 4, so 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 4x is 16x. So that would be 3 to the 8 plus 16x. Now that we have the same basis, what do we do with the exponents? If it is multiplying, we're adding. Negative 4x and negative 15x makes what?
What'd you say, Miss Bailey?
Hi, Nelson. Doing good. Negative 4x and negative 15x makes what? Yeah, when we add it. I owe 15, now I owe 4 more. How much I owe now? Huh? 19. I knew when I put it in money terms. Equals 3 to the 8 plus 16x. Now that the bases are the same, we're going to set the exponents equal to each other. So that is negative 19x equal 8 plus 16x. That's why I started all the way on the corner. Got to put that work in. Now, we're going to move the what? The x's, so I can move positive 16x minus 16x on both sides. What I do to one side, I got to do to the other side. Negative 19, I owe 19. Now, and I owe 16. So how much do I owe together? Negative 35. X equals 8. We still need to get the x by itself, so the last step is to divide by what? Negative 35. So our x equals negative 8 over 35.
Wait, so you don't have to divide any negative 8 no matter what 35?
It's going to give me a decimal.
Okay.
Hopefully y'all be ready for this test on when's that test again? There you So, okay.
Just vague.
And we're on number 4. These kids. Now, number 4 means we just got to solve it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to read this logarithm, log base 8 of 64, like an exponential. 8 to what power is 64? And that's my answer. No, it's all right. You, Tyson's working. That's Tyson. Now, we're going to read this next one like an exponential. 5 to what power is 125? Get the calculator. Get.
5 to what power?
5 to what power is 125?
I got this.
All right.
It's a third.
Third. Excellent. I heard Verda, but excellent. Now, if we got 1 over 20. Huh? Yes. If we got 1 over 125, what is the 3? Negative. So, that is a negative 3. 5 to the negative 3 power is 1 over 125. No math needed on that. Any questions so far? All right. Because the test is on Wednesday. All right. Everyone got it? Oh. Everyone got this?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We're going to move forward. Everyone, yeah, I got this. Now look at these. This is the reason why I had to go over this. I ain't going over it for fun, although math is fun. There you go. Now, we have to condense this logarithm. That 7 is the exponent for what? P. Excellent. When we are subtracting, we are dividing. Excellent. So what has to be my answer? B. When we're subtracting, we're dividing. That 7 is the exponent for my P.
So the thing in front of the log is always the exponent.
Yes, sir. Now we're going to expand it. Excellent. The 3 gonna go in front of the A, the log for the A and the B.
Hey, that's B.
Plus,
Is it B?
8. Excellent. So which answer is it? C. Do I have anyone that needs me to go over that? Yes? When we are multiplying, we are adding. So that 3 on the outside the parentheses is going to go for the B and the A. So that is 3 log base 8 of A. Because we're multiplying, we're adding. That 3 is also for the B. So that's 3 log base 8 of B. And since we're dividing, we're subtracting 5 log base 8 of C. Yeah, I hope y'all do. I hope y'all do. So y'all see how we got the multiple choice and free response questions? Look forward to it.
Can we just have multiple?
No. I got this specifically for you.
Why can't we just only have A, B, C, D answers?
Then that's 25% knowledge, and I want to know that you know.
Miss Bailey, I'm trying to keep that pretty B I got in the grade.
Okay, well, make it pretty great on that test. How about that?
No, we have a B.
Uh,
I got an 89.
Everyone got this?
I can do all things.
Yes, you can.
Is that what you were asking for?
No, I was asking if everybody got that. You know, just, okay. You know, just story of my life. Oh, look at this. Oh, looky. Look like a free response, and you will not actually have the answer on there. I will make sure of it.
What? Wait, what happened?
You will not actually have the answer on here,
Why not?
because I'm going to make sure of it. So, if we are condensing it, remember the 5 is and 5 in front of the log is the what? Exponent for what variable? For the U. Remember, adding, we're multiplying. The 9 is the exponent for the W. And when we're subtracting, we're dividing.
It's log U to the 5th power with the V divided by W to the 9th power.
How did you know?
Gee, I wonder. Yeah. Hey, yo, bro, do this one.
All right.
I'll take the paper away and only scroll down to the question.
I take what I could get. Everybody got this?
Your battery gonna drop this, baby.
Oh, now y'all
This time.
no, cause y'all make sure y'all tell me this time. And then last time y'all was acting a little funny. Nah, I did listen. Y'all ain't tell me nothing. Y'all did that on purpose, but it's okay. Alrighty. Just a little bit. All right, now look at this. We got another free response question that we all love.
Yay.
Now, that 4 is going to drop in front. Since we're dealing with natural log, that 4 is going to drop in front of the natural log for the A. Excellent. Since we are dividing, we are subtracting. Now, we are subtracting this entire denominator, so I'm going to put this in parentheses. All right? We got the exponent 2 and for the natural log for B, so that's 2 natural log B. When we are multiplying, we are adding plus the natural log for C. Now, if I had this in parentheses and this negative on the outside of parentheses, what number is that?
All of it. No, 1.
Negative 1. And that negative 1 gets distributed to everything on the inside. So it could be 4 natural log of A minus 2 natural log of B, negative times a positive, minus natural log of C. So our answer is here. And trust me, you will not be given the answer on the test.
Miss Bailey!
You're welcome. You're welcome. I do it because I love you.
Why does that look like a piggy bank? What is this?
I do it because I love you.
I might have to go to tutoring.
I had no one for tutoring yesterday,
The top one or the bottom one?
and I came all the way back just to fulfill my job. Yeah, I had to handle some business, but I came all the way back, and I said, I know somebody's gonna come to tutoring. They got to. I walked up in here, I said,
What's that right there that looks like a K? What's that supposed to be?
What are you looking at?
Minus
That's a
K.
1.
Minus K. Is
That is a
supposed to be
one.
minus
oh,
one?
yeah, that's -1 out of the parentheses.
Yeah, Kevin wanted to know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you've done
Bless these kids. Don't we love these kids? Yay. We love being teachers. All right. Everyone got this? All right. Now look at this. Word problems. Yay. We love word problems. Let me keep it going.
I just got out of reading.
So let's do more reading with math. Now.
Oh, I love interest.
Yes. A deposit of $5,000 is made in a trust fund that pays 7.5% interest compounded quarterly. It is specified that the balance will be given to the college from which the donor graduated after the money has earned interest for 50 years. How much will the college receive? What type of equation are we building? Start with the E.
Exponential.
There.
I told him the answer.
No, you did not. Anyway.
Exponential. Yes, he did. He said it. All right. So, with exponential, how can we create this equation? We got the principal amount, 5,000.
5,000 maybe times 7.5 and then exponent 50.
Plus
0.075.
yes.
And exponent 50.
What else? Divided by. This is quarterly.
Oh, by 6.
How many quarters in a dollar?
Oh, my bad.
4. Raised to the
Something power.
50
50.
times 4. Remember?
Yeah, that works.
Remember the zombie? So 50 times 4. If I had 4 cents, I got what? 50 times 4 is 200. You have to do the 0.075 divided by 4 first. And we get this value. 0.01875. We're going to add 1 to the parentheses, so we have 5,000 times 1.01875 raised to the 20th power. Quiet coyote.
Yeah.
And order of operation says we do what first? We did exponents. So that plus 1. All right, and we're going to raise it to the 200 power. All right. Now that we raised it to the 200 power, we need to multiply it by the 5,000. So we did the exponent first, and then we multiplied that answer by the 5,000, and we got 205,349.83. Make sure. Yes. On the dot. So my answer is A. This works. Remember I taught y'all this.
Wait, are we on 2 now?
Yes.
Okay,
We're going to do this until we finish.
did you already read that?
Can you come here?
I can after I finish.
Can you pause it?
For what?
Cause I'm gonna ask you.
Okay, you can ask me after this. After this.
But it's urgent.
What's urgent? Yeah, I know them distraction methods. I know them distraction methods. And we're going to get through this math. Alrighty? Huh? You said what? Okay. You buy a car for $8,000. This is the reason why we went over them budgets. Unpausing, and we're not losing no time. $8,000. What's the cost of that car? It depreciates. So 1 minus 0.11, and it's yearly. So do I need to divide it by anything? Nope. And how many years? So that would be the exponent. 1 minus 11 cents, $1 minus 11 cents is what? Not negative.
85 cents. 89 cents.
89 cents. Raised to the 5th power, then it's going to be multiplied by that 8,000. Pull out my handy dandy calculator. I have 0.89 raised to the 5th power, and I got that value. Now what do I do? Multiply it by 8,000. And that would give me $4,467.25. So my answer is B. Mm-hmm. Oh, some of them. Let me think about it. I might do that for y'all, and for honest, make them do that. Honest. And my son is in that class, so he better not. Okay. I'm just playing, son. No. How you gonna work on something you don't know yet? That's not what the video is for. The video is to study, not to learn from it. It's to study from it. Y'all got this? Oops, I hope y'all did. I got to do my job and teach y'all this material. I ain't about to waste my time. I got to. Now, number 3. This is the level that they wanted you to get to. I know it's a lot. But you got to keep pushing. When we are adding, we're what?
What?
When we're adding, we're what? Multiplying. So that's going to be log base 3. And we're going to multiply these two using what property?
I don't know. Dylan, if you don't know, keep it up.
It start with a D. Distributive. So x times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. We're going to combine like terms. Positive 3x, quiet coyote, and negative 5x gives us what? Negative 2x. So we have log base 3 of x squared minus 2x minus 15. And they said that it equals 2. We could change this into an exponential.
Damn, is she okay?
What, is that next door?
I mean, she sounds like she finna fall through the whole damn wall.
Yeah, well, we don't cuss in this class.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Sometimes we make accidents.
I mean,
So we're going to change this into an exponential using the hand method. 3 to the second power equals what's in the parentheses? This is the level that y'all gonna see on the district. On the district exam. Because this is actually made from the district. So I wanted y'all to see the level that I want y'all to get to. 3 squared equals 9 minus 2x minus 15. We're going to move everything to one side by subtracting 9 on both sides. So now we have, I'm going to pull it over here, 0 equals x squared minus 2x. Negative 15 and negative 9 is negative 24. And we have to factor it. Two numbers to multiply to give us negative 24 and add to give us negative 2. I'm going to do all the factors of 24. I know that 2 times what is 24? 12, but that doesn't make 2. I know that 4 times what is 24? 6. All right. If one of them has to be a negative for this to be a negative, and it needs to be the highest value so I could get a negative 2 back when I add it. So this has to be negative 6, and this has to be positive 4. So 0 equals factored x minus 6 and x plus 4. And when we're dealing with longs, we cannot have a negative. So when we set this x minus 6 equal to 0, add 6 to both sides, that gives us x equals 6. But if we have this x plus 4 equal to 0, minus 4 on both sides, and that gives us x equals negative 4. We're not able to use the negative, so our answer is 6. Y'all see how much work? But y'all could do it.
Kevin said that. Oh, I didn't, man.
Sound like Ethan.
No, it was Ethan, bro.
Said what?
Mm.
No, Dylan, trust. No, it was Ethan, trust.
I ain't said nothing in a minute to me.
In a minute.
That's crazy.
I know this is a lot, y'all. But I can.
Do all that.
Okay, the faith gun went down.
When you gonna let us do this delta math?
After y'all, well, right now the Delta Math not working yet. I gotta pay $170 for it to renew. Right?
Oh, so that's why I can't do my delta math.
Pretty much.
Give us 100.
Huh?
Can you give us 100?
100?
Yeah, since we can't access the
No, we're gonna have to access another one. Gotta do the free version until I make some money. Alrighty then. Everyone has this? Alright, I'm about to erase it. Now, solve 3e to the 3x plus 2 equals 15. The goal is to get the x by itself. What do I need to move? Quiet Coyote. What do I need to move to get the x by itself? What is further from the x on the same side of the equal sign?
3.
That 3. What is the 3 doing to the e? Multiplying, so I need to do the opposite and divide. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So e to the 3x plus 2 equals 15 divided by 3 is 5. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now we need to get rid of what is further from the x on the same side of the equal sign, the e. What gets rid of the e? What is the opposite of e?
What's that called?
L, natural
Natural law.
log. What I do to one side, I gotta do to the other side. The natural log gets rid of the e, and now I have the natural log of 5 here. So now I have 3x plus 2 equal the natural log of 5. I need to get the x by itself. What do I move next? The 2. We minus 2 on both sides. Now I have 3x equals the natural log of 5 minus 2. And the last step to get my x by itself, divide by 3. Now I need to plug this into my calculator to get these values. So I got my handy dandy calculator out. Yes. So we're going to have the natural log, which is my ln. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I got to actually put the number 5 first and then natural log for this type calculator. All right. Natural log of 5 is this value here. Then I'm going to subtract 2 and then divide it by 3. And my answer is negative 0.13. And that's how we got the answer. Any questions? All right. We're going to see once we get that test who's going to look at this video or not.
I'm listening right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you know.
Okay. Okay. That's why I'm making it. Everyone, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, we do that. Yeah, I know.
Can I say?
Oh, I already know. I know. And that's what I was thinking about. Everyone got this?
Can I stay and get my points back?
Get your what?
Get my points back.
What points?
You said if you stay for 2, then we can get half the credit.
Oh, yes. Have credit back.
For what?
For a makeup quiz or test. You gotta stay during tutoring. All right, now this part I did not teach all the way.
Okay, so it's your fault.
Oh, sweet Dylan. Don't we love our students?
Yeah. I'm like, man, they can just fail his class. Nah, bro, they've been messing with me. I'm
Oh, it's okay. I'm about to change them seats around
stealing
soon.
all my stuff.
For the rest of the week, just leave that. Just leave.
Well, let's look at this question. On a child's first day of kindergarten, how old is a child when they start kindergarten? 5, I know because I'm still waiting.
Oh.
All right. A deposit of $7,500 is made in a trust fund that pays 3.75% interest, compounded continuously.
We're gonna count it so that when I can come back.
What is the balance in the account on the child's 13th birthday? When we are compounding continuously, we will use the equation principal times the E raised to the R T. When we talk about compounding continuously, we use, besides the growth rate, we use the letter E, which represents a number. So we have the principal amount, 7,500. We're going to multiply it by E raised to the rate, which is, move the decimal 2 times to the left, 0.0375 times from 5 to 13. How many years is that? 8. And that's going to give us how much is in the trust. So pull out my handy dandy calculator. I'm going to first do this 0.0375 times 8. And then I know that is 0.3. So I'm going to raise my E to the 0.3 power. My E is right here. I'm gonna actually put 0.3 raised to the e.
The E.
Yes.
The letter E.
Mm-hmm.
1. That's what it said.
And then we're gonna multiply it by the 7,500. And let me make sure that it did it right. Yes. So our amount will be, after 8 years, $10,123.94. Any questions? Nope. And we're gonna keep it moving. Tomorrow. It look like we got more time.
Tomorrow. We got like 15 minutes.
Y'all leave at 2:40.
Did you know they switched the schedule yesterday?
Dylan, you lying because you smiling and you smirking. You look at.
That's Kevin Bennington, bro. They switched the schedule yesterday.
He lying. He lying.
No.
Your number.
It's not what y'all call it, capping. I need you to stop cap locking and put it on lowercase. Huh? What?
Watch who you're talking to, that mouth boy.
No, you got to study for this test. No, y'all. Studying is not fun. It's a grind. I remember having to study back in my day. I'm just saying, back in my day.
Miss Bailey, you sure you want to say back in my day?
Bless your heart, Dylan. I got a nice test for
You
you.
sure you want to say that?
Yeah, you sure you want to take this test?
Yeah, I don't really care too much.
Oh,
Hey, Kevin, Ethan just said like 1950 or something.
I got your
heard him.
50s. I got your 50s. But
Stop projecting.
back
Funny.
in my day, when I was in college, we had to stay up to finish our project. You got to study all night. You gonna spend the night in the media center sometimes.
You sure?
Many times.
So,
You got to do what you got to do.
Miss Bailey, high school?
No, that's
Wait,
college.
what year did you go to high school?
What
Graduated
year?
in 2017.
High school, college.
I'll take that.
Wait, 2017?
I graduated when y'all was born.
Oh, 08?
When they were born or when I was
Oh,
born?
well, a year before.
07.
Oh, wait, you were born in 08?
Bless these kids' hearts.
When were you born?
Please be the reason why I had to find me another career. All right. Next one. When we're adding, we're multiplying. So this is going to be log of 2 times my x minus 4 equal log of 3x plus 8. We're going to have to multiply this 2 using what property? Distributive. So that is log 2x, 2 times x, minus 8 equal log 3x plus 8. And we're back to positivity. Now, since we have log on both sides, we could cancel out the logs and have, I'm going to pull it over here, 2x minus 8 equal 3x plus 8. We're going to combine the x's together. Minus 2x. What I do to one side, I do to the other. So now I have negative 8 equals 3x minus 2x is x plus 8. I still need to get my x by itself, so I need to move the positive 8 by subtracting 8. What I do to one side, I do to the other side. So my x equals negative 16. Any questions? That's good. Number 2.
Is that the one just finished?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Now number, everyone got this? I lost the pen. All right, everyone got this? Now let's solve. We have 6 to the 3x minus 4 power minus 7 equals 2081. We need to get the x by itself. What do I move to get the x by itself first?
Four. 7.
The negative 7. I knew you was going to get there. Now, the opposite of negative 7 is... Yes. Yes. It's with a sweet voice. 6 to the 3x minus 4 equals 2081 plus 7 is 2088. Now, we need to get the x by itself, so now we need to move this 6. What's the opposite of an exponent? Exponential. Logarithmic. So I'm going to do log base 6. What I do to one side, I got to do to the other side. Log base 6. That crosses this out. And now I have 3x minus 4 equals log base 6 of 2088. Then I need to add 4 to both sides. So I have 3x equals log base 6 of 2088 plus 4. And the last step I need to do is divide by 3. So I'm going to pull out my handy dandy calculator to plug in this equation to figure out what I have. So I'm going to pull out my other calculator because I need the log with the base on there. TI-84.
Miss Bailey, are you AI stuff? Is that how you can
Well, I told y'all this is a test that the district is giving you. So me and my bestie AI is gonna make the next test.
You sure ChatGPT isn't giving us this test?
Huh?
You sure ChatGPT isn't giving us this test?
No, ChatGPT gonna give you the next test. That's gonna actually be a test. Yeah, it did. All I had to do was tell ChatGPT, make me a test just like this. And it did. I got it already done.
GPT can give us the answers to the test too.
Hey, you know what I tell ChatGPT, Miss Betty?
What you told him?
Convert this exponential equation to a logarithmic one.
You said convert the exponential equation to a what?
Logarithmic?
Logarithmic.
Yeah.
And what it do?
And it doesn't.
Come on, Chat. You know, I'm working on her. Sometimes she don't be listening, but we're going to do. I gotta remember how to do this.
Calculators back in your day.
Back in my day, ain't she the sweetest little child?
Kevin, why did you say that? I ain't saying shit.
See, I know, but I want y'all to be. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me do this last problem.
Miss Bailey, this is the time we start every day.
It's the last 5 minutes, Miss Betty.
What, y'all want me to stop in the middle of this problem, y'all sweet little kids?
Yes.
No, make them
We'll
do it.
finish it tomorrow.
Okay, let me just put this last
I'm
one.
packing up, Miss Betty.
All right, do what you do. Log base 6 of 2088. See, messed me up.
Miss Bailey, where's your stapler?
Huh?
Now, where's your stapler? My page came in. Whose cellular device is that?
I'm gonna go ahead and finish this for the video so y'all can watch it later. Oh, bless you. Little nuns. All right.
Miss Bailey, I'm not going.
That mean that the Delta math not here this Friday?
Huh?
That mean the Delta math not here this Friday? Or the 10?
I got to see. Huh? Oh, okay. Thank you. The only one that wants to really help me.
Miss Bailey, please. I need you.
No, you don't want to help me.
Okay, guess what? And I'm gonna need this class.
Okay, plus.
You already know. What class did they even put me in? What includes the math 4 classes they got? What other inclusion classes they got for math 4 during third block or something?
I can't talk about it right on the
On the video?
yes, 2.7553.
What does that mean?
That was that answer that you care not to have. Two point 7553 All right, and we'll stop here. All right, remember, I can. I said I can. I said I can.
Do all three.
Okay. It's a hard one. Not me though. It's already.
I'm just ready for Thursday.